I didn't say I was going to leave work and become a Forex trader. Um, the job that I had and how I grew to the position that I was at was based off just skill and what I've learned. So I was a manager of an import and export company. We used to do import and export for explosives for the mines in Johannesburg. But prior to me becoming the manager, I started off as a supervisor, small, but I climbed up because of the knowledge and how I could do my job. But what had happened was during COVID, they obviously started retrenching people because there was no import and export coming in to South Africa at the time. So they had to start from obviously the people that they were paying the highest. Yeah. So I was the manager of the Durban branch. So I got retrenched. So when I heard about Forex, and obviously I saw it on Jay's status and I saw him trading and stuff, it interested me because I could see profits there. And I always wondered, how is this guy doing this? So that's when I started messing around with it on my own. And in the interim of me asking him the questions and stuff, it got to a point where I learned something on my own. To a point where I wanted to show Amjad now, look,
What you know.
look what I learned now. So I would send him screenshots of me in a trade. Obviously, we're going to put these screenshots up on the podcast just for you guys to see. But I would send him screenshots of 500 Rand accounts floating in like 4 or 5,000 Rand profit, 6,000 Rand profit. I was flipping, and that's where what intrigued him. And that's when he said, hey, Dre, where you learned this,
Because my style of trading was not like that. My style of trading was using larger capital and just trading. Yeah. Yeah, like so when I started seeing okay, like small account flips to large amounts, this is like real skill. It's not easy to do what he's doing.
Yeah, yeah, 100%. Yeah.
And especially on a consistent basis like what he was doing.
Yeah, so you're taking like 500, so you're making like 1,000%
Yeah,
on
so
an
like
account.
maybe he's looking at me like I have all this knowledge and he wanted to learn from me. When I was seeing those things, I was like, okay, this guy also has knowledge. I need to learn from him. Yeah.
That's basically where we started speaking to each other constantly now
Yeah.
about Forex.
Because now I'm sharing my trades, he's sharing his trades. And
So how
that's how it
did
was
you
going.
learn about Forex?